Alright guys, here I'll show you how to refill gas lighter. So if you have this particular brand of stove lighter in form of a gun, then this video is gonna show you how you can easily fill it. You can see it's no longer lighting. That shows the gas is finished. Now to refill it, you need a refiller. And of course, if you have this particular refiller or any type of refiller, you can easily fill the stove lighter. So it could be butane gas or whatever type of gas you have to refill your gas lighter, even if it is this small one. Now, before you can refill your gas lighter, you want to make sure you run out of gas here. This is an indication that shows the level of your gas lighter. So here you can see I no longer have any gas here, and if I try to light up, you can see nothing is coming up. What I normally do whenever I want to refill my gas is just to first lock the lighter first, then I just get my refiller, and then there is a nozzle here. Then I just need to go ahead, inject it. Make sure you press and hold it very well so that the gas will get into the lighter storage. And once it is filled up from the gas indicator here, then you are good. Now the next thing is you want to confirm whether it is on or not. So just unlock the lighter if it is locked. Then go ahead and shoot the gun. You see that? You can also come here, increase the light. If the level is low, you see that? Then go ahead, increase it using this button and then light up. That is it. So that is basically how to refill gas lighter for stove or for your kitchen gas cooker. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.